Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha. I'm back with another video and this is gonna be a one brand tutorial using only Wet n Wild products. So I have a bunch of Wet n Wild makeup and I also wanted to add a little twist and try out some of their new 2018 releases. So I have the highlighter, I have, what is this? This is a liquid eyeshadow, I have the cushion foundation, I have the rose gold makeup brushes. So I am super excited to do this video for you guys. I never done this kind of video here on my channel and one of you guys actually recommended me to do a one brand tutorial, so thank you. So make sure you guys comment on the below bar anything you guys like to see from me next or anything you guys want to tell me. I read everything, you guys, on Instagram, on Snapchat, on my YouTube. I read it all, so make sure you guys go follow me on that, and also make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. So if you guys are interested on watching this one brand tutorial from the drugstore and seeing a bunch of 2018 Wet n Wild releases, then make sure you guys keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my eyebrows. I picked out this Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. I got the shade in dark brown. That's what it looks like right there. This is new and I picked this out on their website. Once it's out of the packaging, this is what it looks like right here. I really like the packaging. It's slick and everything, and this is what it is. I'm not that good at using this kind of stuff, so if my eyebrows came up looking bad, it's not the product, it's mostly me. On the other side, there's a spoolie. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrows. Like beautiful, like it's applying beautiful on my eyebrows. It's creamy, not too creamy though. It's just a really good texture. So far I like it, and this is like the perfect shade. Alright you guys, so my eyebrows always look crazy at the beginning and then I go and fix them. For concealer today, I'm gonna be using this Photo Focus concealer. This is tested under 7 light conditions, so that's really exciting. I picked out the shade in light medium. I got this from Walmart. So I went ahead and finished up my eyebrows. I also grabbed a little bit more concealer and just use it as a primer. I do think Wet n Wild does have a primer, but I just decided to use my concealer. And move on to eyeshadow. I need to set this concealer in my eyes. I am so excited to try this palette out. This is the Rose in the Air palette. That's what it looks like right there, you guys. I don't know if you guys have heard that this palette looks just like this palette right here. So we're gonna go ahead and compare it just really fast. So if you cannot afford the ABH Modern Renaissance palette, here is compared to the Wet n Wild palette. They look pretty similar to me. You get like the same look pretty much, you guys, and start using this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, set my lids. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. Wet n Wild eyeshadows are one of the best in the drugstore. I almost forgot, you guys, I do have Wet n Wild, what is this called? This is called a taper blending brush. This is their Pro brush line collection. So that's what it looks like right here. Look how beautiful, you guys. Tap into it and put it on my crease. Taking this P15 brush, and I'm taking this color right here, that orangey color. Wow, that's pigmented, you guys. Tap the excess out. I'm gonna go ahead and get the same brush. Let's see. And I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. And again, you guys, it has some fallout, but let's see if it's pigmented. And it's pigmented. Alright, you guys, so I know it's looking a little bit of a mess, but we're gonna go ahead and fix it. I'm gonna be taking this liquid catsuit liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Shells and Whistles. That's what it looks like right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put some in the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna pretty much cut the crease using this. What my makeup looks like so far. You guys, this is just wow. I'm just speechless, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead below, apply some mascara. I picked out this 98-cent mascara. This is the Enhance and Define mascara full healthy lashes in the shade Berry Black. I know they have like better mascaras with like a higher price, but honestly for mascaras, you guys, I always apply lashes, so I don't really care. So I'm gonna apply this mascara, and then for lashes, Wet n Wild needs to work on their lashes, you guys. For me, they have one of the worst, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my own, taking the Ardell lashes in 207. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I really want this makeup look to look cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and go and use some drugstore lashes. So anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do that off of camera, and then I should be right back to continue. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and applied some mascara. The mascara, you guys, does nothing for my lashes at all, so that's why it's 98 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and set this what is it called, this liquid eyeshadow. I just want it more intense, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade right here. And then with the other side of the brush, I'm gonna be taking that beautiful like pink shade right there. I just love those kind of shades, and I'm just gonna blend it in right here. We're gonna move on to the face, you guys. I went ahead and picked out a primer. I thought this primer was new, but it says right here it's just the same formula but the new look. So this is the Photo Focus face primer. It's a matte primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some in my hands and apply some in my face. It feels like this is the Mega Cushion Foundation SPF 15. It contains natural coconuts and maybe coconut water, I'm not sure. And I picked out the shade in Natural Beige, so that's what it looks like right here, as you guys can see. The only thing I don't like about this foundation is that it claims to be lightweight and like not full coverage, which is why I have this one, just in case this one doesn't work for my skin type. This is what it looks like. It looks like this is my shade. I hope so. If not, if it's too light, we can always make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my sponge, and this is light. I should have gotten something a little bit more my color. You guys, so after applying this foundation out, I noticed that it is a little bit too light for me, and I also like my foundation to be really like full coverage, so this foundation is not for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix in this. Alright, you guys, so after I'm done with that, again, I'm taking the same concealer I used, and I'm in the shade Light Medium. I really like this concealer. I like the color of it. Alright, you guys, so once I blended out my concealer, I like how my makeup looks like, you guys. The foundation, it's a little bit too light for me, but we're gonna go ahead and make that work. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with this Photo Focus pressed powder in the shade Warm Beige. That's what it looks like. I heard amazing things about this one. And then I'm gonna be taking this large powder brush from the Rose Gold collection. That's what the brush looks like. I love the packaging of this, you guys, and I love the color. They feel really smooth and everything. Apply some bronzer finally onto my skin. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. This is in the shade Dulce de Leche. I'm gonna go ahead and use the other side of the same powder brush, and let's try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter. I feel like Wet n Wild has one of the best highlighters in the drugstore, so I decided to try out this new Hello liquid highlighter. This is in the shade Gilded Glow, and it's like a glass. Is this glass? It is glass. Right, so once it is open, this is what it looks like. It comes with a little applicator like that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this shade. It looks like right there. It looks pretty pigmented and really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my finger and apply it like that on my cheeks. I don't want to mess up my foundation or move anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some right here. Wow, you guys, this is really pretty. Not as blinding as I thought it was gonna be, but it does blend out pretty nicely. I feel like I am removing a little bit of product right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It could be just the way I'm applying it. It could be the foundation. It could be, guys, so once I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. This is in the shade Nudie Patootie. It's a catsuit liquid lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and cheat you guys one more time on using a lip liner, not from Wet n Wild. This is from She Makeup. They're like $1, you guys. It's because they don't have like that dark brown shade. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and changed clothes. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and share with you guys the finished look. Yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I went ahead and cheated you guys and added some lip gloss. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. This is in the shade Unreal, and I almost dropped it. This is what it looks like right here. I just feel like that nude shade was a little bit too nude for me. So if you have my skin tone, you guys, I definitely don't recommend this liquid lipstick, or at least the shade of liquid lipstick. I pretty much liked everything except the foundations. I just didn't like the foundations. I know everybody's obsessed with this foundation. I just had the wrong color, and you know when you have the wrong color for something, it just like makes everything just not the same. For the highlighter, you guys, I did like it. I love the color and everything, but I did set it with this Precious Petals. So this combination, yes. This alone, not really. As far for the brushes, you guys, I love how they look like. I think they're really good quality brushes. They're super inexpensive, and they're a must on everybody's collection. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much all for this video. Please let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about my makeup. Do you guys like it? Do you guys don't? I'm open to all opinions. Also, let me know if you guys like this kind of video. If you guys do, let me know what other company I should do a whole one brand tutorial of. I really like this because I let me know in the comments below all of the stuff I asked you guys. Thank you all so much for taking time of your day and watching my video and subscribing to my channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.